for today's video. Finding the history. Finding where it started. Dito po yung daan.
Wondering where you are tonight. Maybe you're the distant star. How I want you right here by my side. Now I see your face above. Could you take me where you are? I'm
Materials.
afraid no matter what may come.
Hi, tita.
Waiting for the hour of those many nights when you wake up in the storm, trees will all be standing tall. I come to you, you'll never be alone. When your homes fall apart, night is cold, day is dark. I give my heart, it's right where you belong, right where you belong, right where you belong. And we'll meet across the sky, so together we will fly. You're so near to me, you'll never be apart. Once in every hour of those many nights, when you wake up in the storm, trees will all be standing tall. I come to you, you'll never be alone. When your homes fall apart, night is cold, day is dark. I give my heart, it's right where you belong, right where you belong, right where you belong. Love in every hour of those many nights. When you wake up in the storm, trees will all be standing tall. I come to you, you'll never be alone. When your homes fall apart, night is cold, day is dark. I give my heart, it's right where you belong, right where you belong, right where you belong.
Tawagan mo din siya.
Ay, hindi ko napindot.
Baliw. Hindi nga.
Hindi ko.
Tapos tinuturuan ako ni Ate Faith magbasa. Sir, nag-video na ako. Mag-video ka pa
Para
yan.
meron din ako. Mahaba yan. Hindi ko yan marireceive.
Sa Telegram. So, yan. Ayan. Ay, ito yung kwento ni Jesus kung saan isa siyang, nawala siya ng 3 days kasi pumunta siya sa temple. Tapos,
Temple ng?
Hindi ko alam. Anong temple yun? Temple ng? The boy Jesus at the temple. Wala namang specific na sinabi.
Temple lang. Parang church.
Kaya nga.
Yeah. Kasi ba, ano pa dyan si Jesus?
7 years old siya, di ba?
Nakafocus pa sa church.
O, diba? So, everyone go to their church.
Mm.
Magbata sila. Parang topic namin ni Sir kahapon. So, the boy Jesus at the temple. Every year, Jesus' parent went to Jerusalem. Astig, pupunta sila for the festival of the Passover. So, like, parang mayroon silang tradition.
Oh.
May festa sila na pinupuntahan. When he was, 12 years old. Sorry guys, 12 pala. Kala ko 7. Ba't sabi ko 12?
Nga.
Ay,
Gulat
sabi ko
na.
7. Ba't di mo ko kinurik agad?
Siyempre, naka-video.
So, 12 years old. Di ko na-highlight yun. They went up to the festival. So, pumupunta sila sa festival astig. According to the custom, after the festival was over, while his parents were returning home, the boy Jesus stayed behind in Jerusalem. But they were unaware of it. Si Jesus, 12 years old, marunong na mag-rebelde. Marunong na mag-set apart.
Samantalang ikaw, 17 ka na.
Ay, 18 na talaga ako.
18 na.
At saka nag-start ako, sir, parang 12 din.
Oo.
Grade 7. Grade 7 ba? Yeah, I think 12 ako nun. 12 ba ako nun? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. Ha? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 6, first year na ako ngayon.
Oh.
So, 18 minus 6. Oh, 12 na. 18 minus 6, 12 na. O, diba guys, sabi sa inyo 12 eh. Jesus, meron tayong similarity. Yeah. So, ayan nga. They're unaware of that. Thinking he was in their company. They traveled on for a day. Grabe guys, busy si Mary tsaka si Joseph. Nag-travel na sila. Hindi na napansin si Jesus. Wala, kasama nila. Siguro may mga kapatid. May kapatid si Jesus, diba? Diba meron? Biological. Hindi na napansin si Jesus talaga. Sobrang independent siguro ni Jesus ng 12 years old kaya hindi siya hanapin. Tapos kala nung parent niya kaya na yan ni Jesus kasi panganay naman siya, susunod yan. Pero yun pala hindi. Like nag-travel na sila pabalik tapos hindi sila aware. Tapos when they began looking for him among their relatives and friends. Okay, parang family bonding. When they did not find him, they went back to Jerusalem to look for him. Hindi na nahanap si Jesus, guys. Nahanap na sa mga kaibigan siya, sa mga relatives niya. So, bumalik sila sa Jerusalem para hanapin si Jesus. Nag-worry na siguro yung mga parents niya that time. After 3 days, they found him. 3 days. Naglaya si Jesus ng 3 days, guys. They found him in the temple court, sitting among the teachers, listening to them and asking them questions. Oh, Jesus listened and asked questions to the teachers. Diba? In 3 days, puro lang siya tanong ng tanong sa mga padre doon, sa mga teachers doon, diba? Everyone who heard him was amazed of his understanding and his answer. Wow. The wisdom. Alangan, Diyos siya eh. When his parents saw him, his mother said to him, "Son, why have you treated us like this?" Parang yung papa ko nung napunta ako sa church. Nag-iba na daw ng religion, guys. Sobrang worry ni papa dahil kami daw ay saradong Katoliko at bumamatay na Katoliko. Your father and I was very anxious searching for you. Ito na guys, ang sagot ni Jesus, mala metaphor. Why were you searching for me? He said. Didn't you know that I had to be in my father's house? Boogs! Para sagot si Jesus. Ayan guys, so doon siya natutong nag-stand sa truth guys, na siya ay anak ni Jesus, siya ay anak ni Abba Father. Kaya dapat daw nasa temple siya kung saan nandun yung mga tao, nandun yung mga anak ni Lord. But they did not understand what he was saying to them. Parang ako, di ko gets, di ko translate. Then he went down to Nazareth with them and was obedient to them. Ooh, obedient si Jesus guys. Kahit alam niyo yung truth, obedience pa rin siya sa parents niya kasi yun yung tama. Diba? Tapos, oo nga. But his mother treasured all those things in her heart. And Jesus grew in wisdom and ano to? Ano to, sir? Di ko makita. Ito, tsaka ayan. Ito.
Kasunod niya.
Statue.
Nilalayo mo kasi.
Sorry guys. Hindi ko mabasa guys.
Stature.
Ha?
Stature.
Ano yun?
Stature.
Ano yun?
Hindi ko pa rin alam. Pero yung pagkabasa, stature, pero stature.
Stature. And his favor with God and man. So yun, lumaki daw si Jesus with wisdom and stature. Ano kaya yun?
Ulitin mo yung ano yan, unang
And
context niya.
Jesus grow in wisdom and stature?
And Jesus grow in wisdom.
And stature?
Yung meron siyang state.
Oh.
State. Alam mo yung
Tayo
state?
din, Jesus. Ha?
Ano yung state?
Hindi. Ano nga?
Meron siyang stand.
Yun nga, gets ko. Yeah.
Meron siya pinapaninindigan. Parang gano'n.
Wow. Pero guys, obedience pa rin siya sa parents niya.
Obedience. Kasi kailangan niya ituro yun.
And favor with God and man. Grabe, favor kay God, tapos and man. Grabe. So amazing. Sino yung man na tinutukoy dito? In favor with God and man. Mga tao, favor siya kay God ay sa mga tao. Wow. So, yun ang buhay ni Jesus. Nung siya ay boy Jesus at the temple. 12 years old. It's so amazing. So, that's the end of our vlog, everyone. Thank you so much for listening and being with me with our Bible study. I am so blessed and glad. See you in the next vlog.
Toink!
Kainis eh.
Ganun?
Tatago mo, ganun. Tatago mo. Parang si guys ganyan. Halata pa rin sila talaga. Halata pa rin talaga. Dapat, ganyan, nakaganyan yung video mo yan, ganyan. Yan guys, so wait lang, wala mo, tanggalin ko muna. Dapat ganito. Ganyan. Yan, diba? So, pag wala, yan. So, yeah, like that. Sir, ang linaw mo nga. Pag may flash.
Game. Ulitin mo kanina. About sa Digicam.
Oo, yung scripted. Hindi original.
Sige.
Ayun.
One day,
Sir, try mo ba to?
Ano?
Try mo ba yung camera ko, sir?
Wow, linaw. Naka-play na siya?
Hindi ko alam.
Yan, naka-play na.
Ako.
Wow, linaw.
Naka-flash siya? Ang cute ng flash niya hina.
Ibig sabihin, ano?
Naka-night mode nga siya. May night mode.
Meron siya. Nag-auto siya. Pupunta siya sa night mode kapag nasa madilim siya natututok.
Kasi wala siyang SD card. Pero ilaw po niya yung mukha.
Hala, linaw ng camera mo. Linaw ng camera mo.
Biruin mo, nag-zoom out niya yung ganyang kalayo. Grabe.
Linaw. Mas maganda pa yung camera mo kung ano, gagawin mong parang medyo warm. Yung bluish.
Ginagawa ni TM ha. Para paras kay ni TM.
Oo, para hindi siya masyadong warm yung mainit yung dating.
Ito mo. Ito po. Tuturuan kita.
Okay, naka-warm. Sky blue. Parang bluish.
Ito ba yung saan mo? Hindi ko maalala.
Oh, nagko-practice ako. Nagko-practice ako. Kailangan wag mong mahalata.
Halata ko pa rin. Naramdaman ko pa rin. Ito sa style. Yan.
Style.
Ay, style ba? Parang mali. Ay, tama. Style. Yan. Yan.
Hindi pa. Hanapin mo. Yan ata. Bluish. Ay, yan. Para siya hindi siya ano.